Hey you guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I thought I would share with you guys how to make some fall cookies. Today we're going to make pumpkin cookies. I usually make chocolate chip pumpkin muffins, so this is very different for me. I first want to say this recipe is not my own. This recipe is from, I think her name is ChrissyBaking.com, and I'll link her website on the link below so that you guys can go there and she can have full credit for the recipe. But we're just going to be making the cookies today. So it's raining outside, it's like slightly chilly. I have my Carly G Los Angeles sweater on from a few years ago. I'm pregnant and craving sweet things and lots of baking. So we're gonna start with 2 cups of butter. This seems like so much butter. But I think that's probably why these are gonna be good, because it has so much butter. And then we have 2 cups of granulated sugar. It's gonna go in. Then we're gonna do 2 teaspoons of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Then we add 1 teaspoon of salt. I think I was supposed to separate the wet from the dry ingredients, but I always hate washing so many dishes, to be really honest. And so sometimes I skip that part. Just put it all in. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Oh, the cinnamon smells so good. 1 teaspoon nutmeg. Then we're gonna add in 2 eggs, and these are from a local farmer. They're so beautiful, and they're all different sizes, so it's kind of fun. Will this be a double yolk? No, just 1 yolk, it's okay. Let's try again. This guy is so little. It's like a little Easter egg. Single yolk. Try again later. Anyway, I'm gonna leave those out because they're so pretty. I'm gonna whisk these guys separately just so they can get a jump start when they go in. Oh yeah, and I have this vanilla bean paste from Trader Joe's, which I've heard is the best and makes a huge difference in your baking. So, holy cow, okay. This is not watching, let's just do a tiny one. There we go. If we overdo it on vanilla, I don't think that will. I think that can only make our cookies taste better, so it's fine. So we need 15 ounces of pumpkin, and this is a 30-ounce can, so I'm gonna eyeball half of this. There's 1 cup, 2, 3, Okay, so we've got our nice beautiful dough. It smells very pumpkin-y. This is a ton of cookies, you guys. I feel like this is gonna make a massive amount of cookies. I'm gonna throw them in the oven and then we can start on our frosting. For our frosting, we're just gonna whip up half a cup of butter. I've creamed the butter already. Oh, Leslie's awake. Half a cup of brown sugar. Cream that together. 1 teaspoon of our vanilla, which I'm just gonna eyeball a little bit because the frosting is not as important when it comes to measurements. In my opinion, you should probably always follow the measurements, but I'm not a real cook, so, or a real baker. Then we're gonna do 1/4 a cup of milk. Then we're gonna add powdered sugar. It says 3 to 4 cups, so we'll just add little by little until we get the consistency that we want. Okay, you guys, these cookies are so incredibly huge. I definitely made them way too big. What do you think? They're still gonna taste good, but they're not very pretty. We'll have to work on the next one. You wanna try it? Oh! Oh! Okay, they look so good. I think we'll have to let them cool before we eat them though. Do you think they look good, buddy? They smell good. We try a little bit of the frosting just for fun? Okay. Hey Google, set a timer for 10 minutes. Okay, they're really good. Now we just have to make them look pretty. Okay, we have our yummy pumpkin cookies. They're all done. Do you like them? Leslie likes them. And all the ones that didn't turn out pretty are up there, and I'm gonna frost them next and we're gonna eat them. But these are the prettiest ones. So thanks for watching this week's vlog, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope you get to try out some pumpkin cookies soon. Bye! Leslie, say bye-bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.